Ever wondered why your sweet pastries contain salt? Today we're delving into an intriguing culinary conundrum. Salt, a staple in savory dishes, surprisingly also enhances your favorite sweet pastries. Intrigued? Well, it's time to unravel the science behind this culinary paradox. Salt, while typically associated with savory foods, plays a crucial role in pastry baking. Let's delve into the science behind this. Picture salt as a maestro, orchestrating a symphony of flavors. It enhances the sweetness of sugars and suppresses the taste of bitterness, creating a harmony of flavors that make your pastries delectably balanced. Now, consider salt as a personal trainer for gluten, the protein in flour. It strengthens gluten, making your dough more elastic and better able to hold in the gas bubbles produced during fermentation. This results in a light, airy texture in your pastries. Imagine salt as a traffic controller for yeast, regulating its activity. It slows down yeast fermentation, ensuring that your dough rises at the right speed, preventing over-fermentation. Lastly, consider salt as a makeup artist for your pastries. It aids in caramelization, giving your pastries a golden, appetizing crust. So, you see, salt is not just a flavor enhancer, it's a game changer in pastry baking. To sum up, salt is the secret ingredient that brings your pastries to life. It's not just about adding a savory touch. Salt enhances the sweetness, strengthens the dough, and improves the crust, working its magic subtly yet significantly. It's all about striking that delicate balance, not too little, not too much. It's a tiny detail that can transform your baking. So next time you bake, remember, a pinch of salt can be the difference between a good pastry and a great one.